Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Sewing is Fun. Many times we want to wear a very simple straight cut kurtis which are very casual and very comfortable to wear, but simultaneously we also want our outfit to look eye-catchy. So here I am sharing with you all few ideas about how you can make different kind of patterns in your side cut kurtis. So let's get started. If you have a side pocket in your palazzo and you are wearing it with a kurti, then you can make your kurti like this. Here they had created a gap so that your pocket can be visible, and in the sides they had given a small embroidery work. So this is a very cute way to wear a side cut kurti. If you are wearing a plain straight cut palazzo pant with a printed flared kurti, then you can extend the sides of your kurti till the waistline, and there you can add a few dories with the tassels. This is the most easiest way to decorate the sides of the kurti, by adding a contrast color piping in the sides and in the bottom of your kurti. And here they had also added few rectangular strips with a wooden button which will decorate that side further. And these pattern you can use in your palazzo also. So this is another way to decorate the plain kurti palazzo. Adding a side belt or a dory is a very common way, but here you can modify that by adding a contrast color strip from the shoulder till the kurti's side cut length, just like that you can see in the pic. And then they had left that strip to tie a knot or create a flower pattern in the sides. So this is another very easiest way, and it will also look very unique. For your formal kurtis, you can simply add these plastic buttons in the sides. In the summers, we usually like to wear these type of loose kurtis. So to decorate the sides, you can create a gap in the side of your kurti of around 1 inch and add a 1 inch strip in the sides of a different print. And you can also add a laces to decorate that further till the side cut. So this is another very unique way. You can see here they had added a crochet lace. So you can add these kind of broad laces also in the sides. So it will create around 1 inch gap in the sides, and it's looking like a rectangular shape in the sides. So this is another different look you can create. Apart from that rectangular shape, you can also give this kind of V shape in your sides strip, and also you can add few patches in the sides corner of your kurti like this. You can see here they had added a orange color strip. So if you have any leftover fabric which is adding a contrast color in your kurti, then you can add that in a triangular or rectangular or circular patches, whatever you like. For a short kurti which we usually wear with jeans, they had a very small cut in the sides. So to decorate that cut, you can use the silk threads. So just purchase the same color embroidered silk thread and create this type of tassel. And to decorate that tassel, you can use the golden silk thread to just tie that tassel and attach it in sides of your kurti. So this is again a very cute look. If you love embroidery work and you know a little bit, then you can decorate the plain kurti by adding the multicolored embroidered work in the sides and in the bottom of your kurti. Also you can decorate the same pattern in the sleeves bottom and palazzo pants bottom to decorate that whole set of kurti palazzo pant. Also, if you know a little bit drawing, then you can use the fabric acrylic colors to make these kind of flower patterns in your kurti. So that will also go well if you don't know the embroidery work. So hope you find this video a bit useful. If you do, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.